This is Aki Khan. Welcome to the installation guide for the NX-19IS insert liner. Before you begin installation, please switch off the power at the breaker. Use only metal ducts vented to the outside and have at least 2 people assist with lifting. Wear protective gloves and safety glasses during installation. You'll need the following tools: a level, flat, and Phillips head screwdrivers, a powered screwdriver or drill, measuring tape, utility knife, and a marker. We also recommend using quick support rods to hold the range hood insert during installation. Inside the box, you'll find the insert liner body, mounting bracket or brackets, grease tunnel, baffle filters, stainless spacers, and mounting screws. Bracket quantity depends on your model. 1 bracket for 30 and 36-inch units, and 2 for 42 through 60-inch models. Smaller models use a 6-inch vent, larger ones an 8-inch vent. You'll receive 11 screws for 30 and 36-inch models, 14 for 42 and 48-inch models, and 16 for 54 and 60-inch models. Your liner arrives with the blower and electrical assembly already mounted. These components are pre-installed at the factory. No internal assembly is required. The NX-19IS series also includes 2 night light modules and a color adjustable LED light. Plan the vent path and mark the installation height. Mark your installation height through the pre-drilled holes on the liner. Position the brackets, mark it, and prepare to drill. Once aligned, drill and secure the brackets firmly to the wall or framing. As you install the anchor screws, first create a small starter notch in the wall surface, then drill the anchor into the notch. This prevents the anchor tip from being damaged and ensures a secure hold for the mounting screws. The bottom of the hood should be positioned 30 to 36 inches above the cooktop. Use metal ducting only. Depending on your model, the minimum duct size is 6 or 8 inches. Keep the run short and straight, using no more than 3 90-degree elbows. Prepare the wood hood or cabinet. Secure the mounting bracket firmly and level. For larger models, install 2 brackets for balanced support, ensuring the bracket aligns with the hood centerline. With 2 to 3 people, carefully lift the insert liner into the opening. Connect the top vent outlet to the round steel or aluminum pipe. Drive screws through the pre-drilled easy mount holes to secure the liner to the decorative hood. Fasten joints with sheet metal screws and seal every connection with certified duct tape. Apply caulk around the exterior wall or roof cap to prevent air leaks. Drop the grease tunnel into the rear recess of the hood and make sure it sits firmly in place. Before installing the filters, make sure to remove the protective white film from the hood surface. You can use a utility knife to lightly score along the edges. This will make it quicker and easier to peel off the film completely. After removing the film, install the baffle filters. Angle the filter toward the back. Push up until nearly level. Slide forward behind the front lip. Lower it and slide back into position. Repeat for all filters and spacers. Ensure all filters are properly seated before turning on the power. Restore power and test all functions. The NX-19IS series supports 4 fan speeds: quiet, low, medium, and high. All NX-19IS models feature upgraded 3-color LED lighting and dual night lights. Press the light button to cycle colors, or hold it for 3 seconds to activate nightlight mode. You can activate the 3-minute delay off timer and reset the cleaning reminder after washing the filters. The hood also features a heat-sensitive auto-speed function. When the internal temperature rises above 50 degrees Celsius, the fan turns on automatically and adjusts its speed based on the heat level. Before finishing, confirm that all screws are tight, duct joints sealed, filters installed, and the liner mounted level. Now, congratulations! You've successfully installed your NX-19IS insert liner. For detailed maintenance and warranty information, please refer to the manual or visit akikon.com. For more guides, please contact our service team for assistance. Thank you for choosing the NX-19IS series.